big project is palace service team who are always will be standing for you to receive your car, and also they will help you to unload your luggage, load your luggage. So this is the spot where all the time the like hygiene is maintained, and all the time there will be like a valet team. They will be waiting for the guests to receive, and also they will deliver the car as well. So after crossing this, we have an entrance to get in. This is all the waiting area. Like after when you are vacating, you will have to wait for your car to come in, so that you can get in the car. You no need to go for a till parking place. There is a valet driver who always helps getting the car. So this parking whatever the team is giving you the service, which is included with when you book the room in the Palm Jumeirah. So here this is what the entrance. One side you can see that booking confirmations and queries. So such a big it's entrance, reception area, and you can see the pillars are so beautiful, and they have done such a great. And this is in the reception you can see such an amazing water fountain. It's so the designs goes till the roof. Wow, it looks really amazing. So we were keep hearing that water fountain sound. It was so good to hear that. And it is a busy spot. Reception is a busy spot. So but still we can hear the noise, and it was relaxing to hear this kind of sound. And it is also kept in the reception. It was giving us so grace for the reception. So there is a two entrance there is a two ways for the rooms to enter in. The one side two ways, and also we can see a lot of luxurious rooms on the top, and also restaurant, and there is private beach access and pool access, and such a incredible place to sit and relax, and lot of shopping also you can do. And apart from this, there is also one big such a huge aquarium you can see. It was so good. So friends, there is in the reception itself there is one more water fountain here. So it is kept in the corner wise. It was so good to hear, and my kids were super excited to see this kind of water fountain which is kept in the reception, and it was really gracing a lot in the reception. And most of visitors who used to visit in the reception, their first photo was clicking here. So that's how I have to record this to show you all. You can see the walls, such a great designs around. So friends, this is one axis on my left, and also there is a axis on my right where it leads to our rooms. So we have to go and see the inside how the aquarium is built. So I'll take you around like inside to show you that aquarium and some more places to see inside this hotel. So this is late evening, like 6:30 or 7 o'clock. You can see a lot of the branded shops here, outlets here, and very expensive restaurants here, and also there is a very big aquarium which is inbuilt with the walls, and it's very challenging to maintain, but still the hotel management is taken care of this aquarium is so good. You can see lot of varieties of fish you can see, and like a big, small, different sizes of fishes you can see. This is from the far away distance it was looking like this, but when you go close you have to lift your head up and you have to see it's such a big one. So this is how I was on the up. I was taking video about see. So now I was going, like I was using the staircase to go down to see the fish like aquarium. So on my left side it was so incredible design again, the water fountain. I always love to see this kind of water fountain, because when you feel like your house is lacking something, then you have to get one small at least water fountain that will really give you a positive flow in your house. So this is how it was looking. Most of the people used to take selfies with aquarium, and to enter here you really need to have reservations or some bookings you need to have here to enter and see this kind of aquarium inside. So there's a lot of varieties of fishes. My kids were super excited, so they were super happy. And there is a lot of other informations I have given in my description box. You can check it, it will help you for sure. You can see a lot of fish. It's such a big one. It almost it stays from one side to another side. So you can see a lot of other places to see, like a wave house, and lot of things to do shopping here. And if you feel hungry you can even visit to restaurants here, and lot of very creative this kind of the stuffs they were selling here. Such a good place, lot of flowers, fresh flowers you can see everywhere. And apart from this, this the entire hotel, the lightings was so good. and I really love the lightings. It was really very good, lights and the flowers, and also kind of lights, it gives colors that all will impact our mood, so that's very important. So this is friends, this is outside, like once you enter the reception, there is also access to go out for the beach and also for the pool. You can see, from when you go out from outside, from you can see the beach, and also you can, there is a pool also is there, like swimming pool for kids, for adults, for everyone. So from this place also maintained so green, and everywhere we can see a lot of plants, and such a big, very big water fountain again here. So that is so lovely sound, and when you see the water, it is like it refreshes us. That is the good thing about here. So you can see this is a top, on the top you can see the top. This is all the rooms. Hopefully when we get an opportunity to go to rooms, we will be making a video about that, and I can show you again. See, these all the, this is the shape. From this shape we were able to see the, so again the water fountain. From, in the night, we can see, this Atlantis Palm Jumeirah, like very colorful, very full of lightings. It was so good. So friends, so that's all about video. So this Atlantis was looking just like this. So if you like the video, then please do subscribe the channel, support the video, share with your friends and family members for more interesting videos and vlogs. Thank you so much for your great support. See you again in the next interesting video. Bye bye.